Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an email template in Gmail. Email templates can save you a lot of time, especially if you frequently send similar emails. So, let's get started with a step-by-step guide to creating your own template. First, let's talk about what an email template is. An email template is essentially a pre-designed layout that you can use repeatedly for campaigns, promotions, notices, or even personal messages. You can customize it as needed while maintaining consistency in style and format. Now, to create an email template in Gmail, open your browser and go to chrome.google.com/webstore/category/extensions. This is the Chrome Web Store where you can find extensions to enhance Gmail functionality. In the search bar, type Gmail templates and press Enter. You will see a list of extensions. Look for Email Templates by CloudHQ, which is a popular and free option. Click on it and then select Add to Chrome. Once the extension is installed, you're ready to start creating templates. Next, open your Gmail account. On the left-hand side, click on Compose to create a new email. In the email draft window, you'll notice a new icon or option for templates provided by the extension you just added. Click on this Templates option and you'll see a list of pre-designed templates for various occasions such as promotions, marketing campaigns, and personal announcements. If you prefer, you can also start with a blank template. Choose a template that fits your needs. For example, let's select a marketing template. Once you click on it, the design will appear in your email draft. From here, you can customize it. You can edit the text, change the images, adjust fonts, and even add buttons with clickable links. To add an image, click on the image placeholder or use the option to upload your own image. If you don't have an image ready, you can search for free stock photos provided by the extension. For example, if you're promoting a Father's Day sale, you can search for father to find relevant images. Drag and drop the image into your template. Now you can edit the call to action button. Click on the button and insert a link to your website, shop, or event page. When recipients click the button, they will be redirected to your specified URL. If you need to add more information, such as product details or additional offers, you can use the block feature to insert new sections into the template. You can add text, images, or even videos to make your email more engaging. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, click on Save as Template if you'd like to reuse it later. This will allow you to quickly access the template without starting from scratch in the future. When you're ready to send the email, enter the recipient's email address and subject line. You can also copy and paste multiple email addresses if you're sending it to a group. Then click Send. That's it. Your email template has been successfully sent. Using templates in Gmail is a great way to save time and maintain professionalism in your communications. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video.